welcome to Agent Mode AI, the daily podcast exploring the real-world applications of Agentic AI. I'm Kim, and I'm absolutely fascinated by how this technology can supercharge our productivity and unlock new levels of innovation.
And I'm Darren. As someone who loves to build and tinker, the idea of autonomous AI systems is just incredibly exciting. It's like we're on the cusp of a whole new era in software development, where our ideas can truly execute themselves.
We started the show because we felt like the conversation around AI was often too high level or too technical, and we wanted to bridge that gap for practical application.
Exactly. So what is agentic AI? Think of it this way. Traditional AI responds to prompts. Agentic AI, on the other hand, can set its own goals, break down complex tasks, and even correct itself along the way, just like a highly capable assistant. It's AI with a purpose and a plan.
And this isn't just theoretical. This podcast is for anyone looking to harness that power. Solo founders, dreaming big, AI enthusiasts, eager to stay ahead, and especially productivity hackers who want to get more done with less effort. If you're ready to unlock the next level of what's possible, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving straight into a topic that perfectly encapsulates the power of agentic AI. How one-person startups are using AI agents to compete with entire teams.
It sounds almost unbelievable, doesn't it? But what we're seeing right now is a complete democratization of capability. Individuals, solo founders, are able to accomplish what previously required a full marketing department, a sales team, a customer support crew, and maybe even a research division.
Absolutely. Agentic AI essentially acts as an intelligent force multiplier. It takes your vision and executes complex, multi-step tasks autonomously, allowing a single person to punch far above their weight class and genuinely compete with well-funded larger organizations. It's a game changer for the leanest of startups.
So how are these solo founders actually building and deploying these incredible AI agents? What's in their toolkit? That's where it gets really exciting because the platforms are evolving so rapidly. We're talking about tools like SuperAGI, AutoGPT, LangGraph, and Open Interpreter. These aren't just fancy chatbots. They're frameworks and platforms designed for building truly autonomous workflows.
Exactly. Take SuperAGI or AutoGPT, for instance. They provide the scaffolding for you to define a goal, and then the agent figures out the steps, tools, and execution path to achieve it, often iterating and self-correcting along the way. It's like giving an AI a high-level objective and watching it delegate tasks to itself.
And then you have tools like LangGraph, which is brilliant for orchestrating more complex multi-agent workflows, giving you finer control over the flow and logic. It's for when you need agents to collaborate or follow specific decision trees. And Open Interpreter is fascinating because it allows large language models to run code locally, letting them interact with your computer and the internet in a much more direct way.
Together, these platforms empower users, even those without deep coding knowledge, to create incredibly sophisticated and autonomous systems that can handle tasks from end to end. It's truly a new era of automation.
It absolutely is. And to really bring this to life, let's talk about a hypothetical but totally realistic scenario. Imagine Alex, a solo founder with a brilliant idea for a SaaS product, an AI-powered tool that automates social media content scheduling and optimization for small businesses.
So traditionally, Alex would need to do market research, build the MVP, handle marketing, and then manage customer support. That's easily 5 different hats, requiring a team or a huge time investment. How do agents help Alex become a one-person powerhouse? First, for market research, Alex could deploy an AI agent, perhaps built with AutoGPT, with the goal of identify underserved niches in social media marketing for SMBs and analyze competitor offerings. This agent would scour the web, analyze forums, competitor websites, and even public sales data, generating a comprehensive report in days, not weeks.
That's immense. It's like having an entire market research team. Then for the MVP development, while the core product still needs Alex's coding, Agents could assist with component testing, bug identification, and even generating placeholder content or boilerplate code. It's a force multiplier.
Exactly. And once the MVP is ready for early users, Alex could use an agent for initial customer support. Imagine an open interpreter agent integrated with their support channel, capable of not just answering FAQs, but also diagnosing common issues by accessing logs, or even suggesting code snippets for Alex to fix.
And for marketing and lead generation, an agent could manage targeted outreach, generate personalized email sequences, or even optimize ad copy based on real-time performance data. The scalability here is insane. Alex isn't limited by their individual capacity. They're leveraging an entire virtual workforce. This isn't just about saving money, it's about compressing years of work into months. So I've talked about market research, customer support, and even lead gen, but let's take a common task many solo founders face: content creation. It's time-consuming, yet crucial for SEO and audience engagement. How would an AI agent tackle, say, writing a blog post from scratch?
This is where it gets really exciting and practical. Imagine you, as a solo founder, give a high-level prompt to an agent, something like, generate a blog post about the benefits of using AI for small business accounting, targeting SMB owners.
Okay, simple enough. What happens next? Does it just spit out an article?
Far from it. An agent using something like LangGraph for its multi-step reasoning wouldn't just write. Its first step would be to act as a researcher. It would scour the web for common pain points in small business accounting, current trends in AI and finance, and even competitor content to identify gaps. It would brainstorm relevant subtopics and keywords.
So it's not just generating text, it's understanding the context and the goal. It's like having a content strategist and a researcher rolled into one.
Exactly. Once the research phase is complete, and perhaps after a quick check-in with you for outline approval, it transitions to acting as a writer. It drafts the article, incorporating the research data, optimizing for the identified keywords, and maintaining a consistent, engaging tone for SMB owners.
And then typically you'd proofread, edit, make sure it flows well, optimize for SEO, add images, etc. Can the agent handle that too?
Absolutely. After the draft, it can shift into the role of an editor and SEO specialist. It'll review the article for clarity, conciseness, grammar, and adherence to SEO best practices. It might suggest internal links, generate meta descriptions, and even propose image ideas or alt text. It could even check for plagiarism. The human intervention there becomes minimal, largely just a final review and publish.
That's incredible. So from a simple prompt, you get a fully researched, drafted, and optimized piece of content ready to publish, all orchestrated by an autonomous agent. It's not just saving time, it's elevating the quality and strategic depth of your content efforts without hiring an entire marketing department.
Precisely. This level of autonomy is what allows one person to maintain the output of a small team. It's not just about doing tasks, it's about executing entire complex workflows with a high degree of independence.
This has been an eye-opening dive into what's possible right now with Agentic AI. It's not just theory, it's happening, allowing individuals to scale their impact exponentially. The future, Darren, feels like it's going to be less about who has the biggest team and more about who has the smartest agents.
Absolutely. And for anyone listening who's feeling that spark of curiosity, my advice is simple. Start experimenting. Pick one tool, maybe AutoGPT, or even explore LangChain for building simpler chains, and try to automate a recurring task in your day. Even something small can give you a profound understanding of the power here.
Yes, start small, but think big. Imagine an agent that learns your preferences, anticipates your needs, and proactively handles tasks before you even think to ask. The line between assistant and autonomous partner is blurring so rapidly, it's a truly exhilarating time to be a builder, a founder, or just someone looking to supercharge their productivity.
The possibilities are truly boundless. We're just at the beginning of understanding what fully autonomous agents can achieve when given complex goals. It's not just about doing tasks faster, it's about unlocking entirely new capabilities for individuals.
And that brings us to the end of our very first episode of Agent Mode AI. We hope you're as excited about the agentic future as we are.
Absolutely. If you loved what you heard today and you're ready to dive deeper into real-world agentic AI applications, please hit that subscribe button.
And share us with your fellow solo founders, AI enthusiasts, and productivity hackers. Join us daily as we explore this incredible, evolving landscape. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.